I have been testing out this new AI editor for the past few weeks, and it honestly handles about 90% of the heavy lifting for me. Whether it is generating captions, adding B-roll, creating hooks, or chopping up a long podcast into dozens of snackable clips, it gets everything done in seconds. The tool is called Vizard, and I want to show you exactly how I use it to crank out high-quality content much faster than before. You can keep manually copying other creators all day long, but if your output speed is slow, you are already falling behind. Today, I will walk you through my entire workflow so you can see how this platform saves me hours and helps me publish content consistently. Let us get started by looking at the upload process, which is incredibly simple for anyone to manage. You can just drag your raw footage directly into the window or paste a YouTube link if you prefer. You absolutely do not need to be a video editing expert to get started with this interface. Once you upload a long interview, webinar, or vlog, Vizard immediately starts analyzing the entire file for you. It automatically recognizes who is talking and finds the most important engaging moments for your audience. It starts recommending clips that are already perfectly optimized for social media platforms right out of the gate. That is really the core of the tool because it does not just spit out raw files but looks for viral-worthy moments. Now, let us talk about captions, because this feature alone is a total game changer for any creator. Simply hit generate, and Vizard transcribes everything in seconds with full speaker separation. If you have two people talking, the software color codes the captions so your viewers can always follow who is speaking. You can also translate on the fly, which lets you get captions in another language without needing to re-upload your source file. From there, you pick from a huge library of caption styles that look just like the ones you see on top creators' posts. Whether you want a bold, high-contrast block or a crisp, minimalist look, it is all there waiting for you. You can pick a preset and then tweak it to fit your brand colors and specific aesthetic. Feel free to change fonts, font weight, colors, stroke, or shadows to match your specific style guide. You can even upload your own fonts if you are working on branding for a specific client. What is really nice is that all these little adjustments do not take hours to complete. You can easily fine-tune line breaks and how many words show up at once on the screen. I usually set it to 3 or 4 words per frame, as that is the sweet spot for mobile viewers watching on the go. Adding subtle animations makes the captions pop and keeps eyes locked on the video. There is even an auto emoji suggestion tool if you really want to spice up your text hooks. Speaking of hooks, Vizard can generate opening text hooks for you based on the content of the video. You can then quickly edit those hooks to make them sound more like your personal voice. Just drag, scale, and set the duration, and in 2 clicks you have a thumbnail-grade intro line. When it comes to music and sound, Vizard has a great library of trending tracks you can filter by premium or free. Just drop a song in, set the start time, and tweak the volume, and you are ready to go. You can also add sound effects like whooshes or page turns to really punch up your edits. The audio cleanup tools are also incredibly solid, offering one-click noise reduction and auto-leveling. If you want the pace to feel tighter, you can even remove silences with just a single button press. I usually dial the music down behind my voice, so it sounds like I actually took the time to mix it professionally. Now let us look at B-roll, which is where Vizard really starts to get smart and save you time. You can ask the AI to auto-generate B-roll suggestions, and it will pull licensed clips that match your audio. It is not always perfect, so you can easily scroll through and swap any mismatches, but it prevents the tedious hunt for footage. If you ever hate a specific B-roll choice, just delete it or replace it with your own custom clip. Using magic zooms and motion is another way to emphasize a reaction or fake a camera push. Little zooms and text animations really do a lot of heavy lifting to keep engagement high. All of this is simple drag and drop, and you can preview everything in real time as you build. Yes, you can still manually trim and cut exactly like you would in more complex software. The difference is that Vizard gives you an auto-split option that finds pauses and proposes where to cut. This saves so much time when you are working through hours of long-form podcast footage. Want to split a sentence into separate caption lines? Just click the word and hit split. Magic Clips is honestly my favorite feature because it is such a massive time saver. Paste a long live stream and tell Vizard to generate short-form clips, and it analyzes the conversation. It's It scores moments for virality and spits out a batch of ready-to-post clips with captions. You get a handful or even dozens of short clips that are already perfectly styled and captioned. Other tools might try to do this, but they often miss context or produce low-quality captions. Vizard truly nails the timing and usually pulls out the best takeaways from the conversation. The auto schedule and content calendar feature is where this platform really separates itself from the competition. You do not have to export everything manually. Just connect your socials and set your frequency. The content calendar lets you preview what is going out, shuffle posts around, and publish from one place. If you are managing multiple channels or clients, this feature is absolutely clutch. The thumbnail generator is still early, but it is super useful for quick, day-to-day volume posting. I usually treat them as a starting point, picking one and adjusting the crop and text. In terms of organization, you can create folders for different clients or projects. You can save caption styles as presets and keep everything consistent across your brand. This is perfect if you are a creator with clients or a small agency. Some might ask how this compares to Premiere or CapCut, and both are great, but they require much more manual work. Vizard combines smart clip selection, caption styling, and publishing into one seamless flow. Just remember to do a quick pass to correct any transcript errors. 5 minutes of manual polish makes a huge difference. Exporting is simple, and you can either download files or publish directly to your social platforms. If you are trying to build attention and need volume without burning out, Vizard is definitely worth a test run. It allows me to focus on the ideas and the voice, while the tool handles all the repetitive stuff. So, try it on one of your long videos, let it analyze, and see what it suggests. I think you will be surprised at how fast your calendar fills up with quality content. Let me know how it goes, and if you want, I can show you my exact caption presets next time. That is my breakdown for today, so if you are drowning in long-form footage, this will change the way you work. Peace out, and happy editing!